How to download and install AliExpress app on desktop. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll be teaching you on downloading and installing AliExpress app on your device. So let's get started. As we're using the desktop version, we cannot access the App Store or the Play Store in order to download the AliExpress app. But alternatively, simply open your preferred web browser, open a new tab and go to bluestacks.com. Once you reach on the official website, click on the download BlueStacks for Windows 10 or download BlueStacks 5, or you can also go and check all the versions of the BlueStacks and choose one in order to download into your computer according to your preference. After you downloaded the BlueStacks in your computer, simply launch the BlueStacks app, then go to Play Store and search for AliExpress, then simply install the app. This way you will be able to install AliExpress in your PC and access it. So this was all about it. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.